Tom, Alimanda, Dad.
Margaret, what's that? What are you doing? Huh?
I'm gonna just put
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put the seeds here out there.
You like it? Okay.
Alimanda, Dad.
Ano po? Kinain na ng bagyo. Pakuan ang natira.
A few moments later.
Nanalo?
Halatang puro ano sa akin, kanyo.
Wala. Yun, binalatan ko para makain mo. Ayan po ang nanalo.
Puro sipit sa akin.
And the winner is Mami! Ang nasa Baguio na sila oh. Sa may Burnham Park. Aspire Park. The Torch Tower again.
Torch Doha Hotel.
Torch Tower. Pag sinabing Torch Doha Hotel, hindi nila alam. Torch Tower, yan, kilala. Pero Torch Doha Hotel yan.
It's a hotel.
Sa hotel, yan. Tsaka maraming shop. Office.
360-degree dining.
360 dining. May swimming pool din. Yan, kung makikita niyo yung parang naka ano na maliit na yon, swimming pool. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye-bye!